Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Clark University. This university is located in United States, and we'll talk about first year scholarships for international students. Clark Merit Scholarships. Clark University offers a variety of merit and achievement based scholarships. All applicants are automatically considered for these applications. There is no need for separate application. Okay, you don't need to apply for separate application when you will submit your application for your admission at Clark University for your undergraduate, master's, or PhD degree. Then you will be considered for scholarship. We give top consideration to students who have demonstrated exceptional academic performance and personal qualities during their secondary school years. Admitted students who receive a merit based scholarship will be notified along their admission decision. So, Presidential Scholarships Additional Application Requirement. The Presidential Scholarship is a highly esteemed scholarship award to approximately 5 exceptional students annually. It recognizes individuals who stand out due to their outstanding academic achievement and leadership potential, place them among the top applicant to clerk. Application full tuition fee long, as well as on campus room and board for all 4 years, regardless of family financial situation. So this scholarship will cover your tuition fee, as well as they will provide you accommodation as well for 4 years. And how you can apply for that scholarship is, for this scholarship you need to separately apply for the scholarship, okay? And Clark Merit Scholarship you don't need to apply for separately. So these are the application deadlines every year. And private scholarships and international students, you may be eligible for additional scholarship offered by local or state-wide and national organization. Below are the possible sources and ideas for finding private scholarships. So these are the sources. You may be eligible for the scholarship if your high school teacher, guidance counselor, or school librarians ask them if there are any school sponsored scholarship, and you need to take a look at eligibility criteria here. These are the online sources where you can find the scholarships. Additional online searches are here, and so this was the first year scholarship for international students. You can also apply for financial aids and transfer scholarship for international students, financing option, and here you can take a look at frequently asked questions. Now, if you are a prospective student, then you can take a look here more about valuable information, affordability, and value of Clark University education. How to apply if you are international students, then you can click here. If you are student from United States, then you can click here. And significant merit scholarships, earn a tuition free master's degree and save thousands. You can take a look how you can earn tuition fee free master's degree. And how you can apply is, if you are an international student, then just click here. After you will click, then you will come to that page. Here you can take a look that each year is select number of first year and transfer international students receives merit scholarship and need based grant to attend Clark University. And if you are a first year student, then click here. So here, as we have saw before, these are the scholarships for first year student. You can also, if you have more questions, you can send an email here regarding scholarships. And if you are completing your application and you find any difficulty, then you can ask in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye bye.